Hi, today's video is called Inhale, Exhale, and you're just going to follow me and the movements in a seated position, and I'll cue when to inhale and exhale. I'll go slow enough so you can follow me. So when you're ready from seated, inhale, exhale, 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 breathing faster now, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and switch, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, arms up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale with it, huh, inhale, huh, inhale, huh, inhale, huh, 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 huh. Go as fast as you can. Audible exhale. Slow it down. Arms in front. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Sink all from your mind down to your center. Exhale. Continue to breathe at your own pace. I hope you enjoyed this. Inhale, exhale, follow along, Qi Gong Clearing. Thank you for joining me.